Hello everyone and welcome back to our Thermador kitchen. My name is Chef John Cardona, and this month we have something extremely refreshing for you. We're making a Peruvian ceviche with sea bass, and we're making a leche de tigre marinade, or a leche de tigre citrus curing liquid. So let's get started and dive into this recipe. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat our steam convection oven to 425 degrees on steam convection. We're going to add a little grapeseed oil to our corn. Half of that right in there. Kosher salt. So we're gonna drop these in there, set the timer for 5 minutes, check them. If they need more time, I might leave them in there for another 2 minutes. Let's drop these in our steam convection oven at 425. Your corn might take about 20 minutes to cook at that temperature as well. Now that we have our corn and our yams in our steam convection oven, we're gonna get started with our leche de tigre. So we're gonna start off with 2 cups of lime juice, serrano chilies. We're gonna blend these, and then we're gonna strain it. Fresh habanero, cilantro, celery. We have garlic, fresh garlic. Let's add some ginger. That'll brighten everything up really nicely. This is a sweet Mayan onion. You can use white onion as well, but the sweet Mayan onion or any type of sweet onion will give you better flavor. Clam juice, Peruvian ají amarillo or Peruvian yellow chili paste. Add our kosher salt and our black pepper. Oh yeah. We're gonna put this on the blender and blend it until everything's pretty well emulsified. We have our blended leche de tigre ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and strain this. That is lovely right there. So once your leche de tigre is complete, we're gonna drop this into our Thermador 30-inch built-in panel-ready fresh food column, and we're gonna use a super cool to cool this down completely in half the fraction of the time. After about 7 minutes, your yams are good to go. We actually gave our corn another 15 minutes just to completely cook the corn. We're gonna let this sit out at room temperature for about 5-7 minutes or so. Let it cool off a little bit. Drop it in our refrigeration system using the super cooling mode for about 30 minutes or until it's completely chilled down. After another 15 minutes of cooking time in our steam convection oven, our corn is finally done. Once your corn has completely cooled down, it's time to take the kernels off that cob. You wanna cut the sides off. Now you have a flat surface, right? And you're gonna keep doing this until you take all the kernels off. What we're about to do is we're about to quick blanch our red onion. So what you wanna do is you wanna run your hot water in your sink, and you want that water as hot as possible. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your red onion, drop them in the strainer. You're gonna run the red onion under hot running water for 60 seconds. Then immediately turn on the cold water and rinse it for another 60 seconds. Then you're gonna leave it in the strainer so it can kind of release any of those extra liquids. We'll drop this in the refrigerator and we'll let them chill out. Once your ceviche marinade or your curing liquid, your leche de tigre, is chilled down completely, we're gonna go ahead and drop it inside our pieces of sea bass that we cut up here. So let's go ahead and drop our ceviche leche de tigre in there. I'm gonna drop it in there for about 30 minutes up to an hour in our temperature control drawer at 34 degrees. And you can access that temperature as well with your phone or your iPad using Home Connect. You can change the temperatures of your refrigerator. Our corn and our yams have been completely chilled down using our super cool function in our 30-inch fresh food column. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up together and marinate it with a few other flavors here. So once your kernels have come off the cob, you take them off the cob. Let's go ahead and drop them right in this bowl. Drop our yams in here. We have our Fresno chilies, serranos, cilantro, and our olive oil. We're gonna marry this together and we're gonna cover it up. Now let's put this in the refrigerator and wait till our sea bass has completely gone through the whole ceviche process. Our yams and corn salad is ready to go. We have our corn nuts and our blanched red onion. And we have a little bit of Hawaiian lava salt here, just for flavor, texture, and color as well. So let's build this thing. The first thing you want to do is I will drop a little bit of this yam mixture down on the bottom, the corn. Grab a few red onions. Once you got that down, we're gonna add a little bit of corn nuts, some of the fish ceviche, the Seabass Ceviche on there. Add a little bit more corn. Now I'm gonna grab a lot of this leche de tigre and we're gonna drown it in leche de tigre. Lava salt right on top. Now with that said, here is a dish that we made. Peruvian ceviche with leche de tigre. Now it's time for my family and friends to sit down, bite into this, and enjoy. Thank you very much, and see you next time.